Hello, fellow alchemists. Welcome back to our series on Kaffy. Now, this is going to be a pretty quick, short video. We've been quite busy with some projects, but I still wanted to continue to release videos and to show you some more interesting things that you can do in Kaffy. Now, something I think that's quite useful is that once we have quite a lot of records, we may want to actually filter those records. And one of the most quickest and easiest way to filter something is you can filter based on, say, like a set of arguments, right? So, for instance, this published over here. Well, we can actually filter based on if something is published or not. So in this case, we can say, okay, I want to have a filter where only the published show, or only the unpublished show, or even all of them. So I'm going to show you how to actually build that. So the way to build that is you go to your index page. And right now, if you just use nil, it's just going to do kind of the default values. Now, if you replace this with a map and you have a filters key, well, you can return a list of values. So this could also be pulled out, maybe dynamically from the database. You can say grab all those values and make a, like a unique list or a distinct list and so forth. But in this case, I'm just going to do a regular list. And actually, I don't even need to do that. I could just grab these over here and replace this and say, okay, I want to have a list for the published, a list for the maybe unpublished. And of course, so it's going to be a list of tuples where the first value is, the human readable one. The second value is, of course, the non-human readable one. And now if we go back to over here, you'll see now we have our little filter over here. And we can, of course, look for the published ones. We can look for the unpublished ones. And of course, we can still go back to all of them if we like. So that's how you can add a very, very simple filter. And these things can be coming from your database. It could be coming, again, hard-coded like this. There's many different ways to do that. So this is Alan from Plangora. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll be releasing another video next Friday. So thank you for coming by. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next Friday. Thanks. Bye. Hi. Please feel free to ask us any questions about Elixir, Flutter, or anything else in programming. Here's our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll answer your questions every Friday. Ya mantai ge duck man all. Yo wenti ji do wen wo.